హాయ్ చిల్డ్రన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యార్థి ట్యుటోరియల్స్. సో ఈరోజు మనం ఒక కొత్త చాప్టర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోబోతున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ చాప్టర్ 2 ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అండ్ డెసిమల్స్. సో ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి, డెసిమల్ అంటే ఏంటి, వీటి గురించి నేర్చుకునే ముందు లెట్ మీ గివ్ యూ ఎ స్మాల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఆర్ యూ ఆల్ రెడీ? దెన్ లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ నౌ. So children, there are 8 friends and their names were Raju, Pavan, Jai, Shushma, Kavya, Sumit and Sureka. So here the birthday of Raju is celebrated one day. So Raju thought to give a big cake to all his friends. So what he done? He brought a big circular cake. So this is the cake that Raju brought to his friends on the occasion of his birthday. What he done? He thought to distribute this cake to all his friends. Now let us see how he distributed this cake to his friends. So he cut this cake into 2 parts. Let me cut here. Yes. Now how many parts we have? 1, 2. Are they sufficient to 7 friends? No. So he cut this cake again into 2 parts. Each part ni 2 parts కింద cut చేశాడు. Now he cut like this. Now count how many parts he has. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now there are 4 parts. Are they sufficient to 7 friends? No. So he cut again each part into 2 more parts. So here he cut again into 2 more parts. Now count how many parts he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they are sufficient to his friends. Now he has to distribute this cake to all his friends. Let us distribute among these 7 friends now. So firstly he thought of to give to Pavan. So he has given this shaded part to Pavan. So Pavan ki ఈ పార్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు. సో 1 పార్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ నుంచి? టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్ట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి నాన్న? 8 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. సో 1 among how many parts he has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 part out of 8 parts పవన్కి ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ మనకి? 1/8 అవుతుంది. సో 1/8 part is given to పవన్. మరి జైకి? సో దిస్ part is given to జై. So let me draw here. So this part is given to Jai. So fraction of Jai is 1/8. Then come to Shushma. Shushma, so he has given this part to Shushma. Shushma ki ee part ichadu. So what is the fraction of Shushma? It is also 1/8 because 1 part out of 8 parts. 1 part out of 8 parts. So the fraction of Shushma is 1/8. Next, Kavya. Kavya is fond of cakes. కావ్యకి కేక్స్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. సో రాజు ఏమనుకున్నాడు? కావ్యకి 2 parts ఆఫ్ కేక్ ఇద్దాం అనుకున్నాడు. సో లెట్ us distribute to Kavya. So he has given these 2 parts to Kavya. So let us shade them. ఈ part and this one. So these 2 parts were given to Kavya. So let us write the fraction of cake to Kavya. 2 parts out of how many parts? Out of how many parts? Total number of parts were 8. So 2/8 part of a cake is given to Kavya. 2/8 ante we can write it as 1/4 because 2 4s are 8. So this much part of cake is given to Kavya. So fraction of Kavya is 1/4. Next, Sumit. This part is given to Sumit. Sumit has got 1 piece of cake. So 1 by 8 is the fraction of Sumit. Similarly, Sureka also got 1 piece. This is the piece for Sureka. So fraction of Sureka is 1 by 8. So next, the remaining part is taken by the birthday boy, that is Raju. So fraction of Raju is 1 by 8. So this is how you represent a fraction. ఈ విధంగా మనం ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. సో హియర్ 1 by 8 లో 1 is called numerator. 1 is called numerator and 8 is called denominator. 8 is called denominator. Understood, children? So this is about fraction. Now let's see what is a fraction and different types of fraction. Okay? Fraction ante enti, అందులో types చూద్దాం. Okay, now let's start. Fraction. A fraction is a part of whole. Fraction అంటే ఏంటన్నా, ఒక పార్ట్ హోల్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటే దాన్ని ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటాము. సో హియర్ దెర్ ఈస్ 1 షేడెడ్ పార్ట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 4 పార్ట్స్. ఒక పార్ట్ని మనం 4 పార్ట్స్ నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. నౌ లెట్ us రైట్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సర్కిల్. సో ఈ సర్కిల్లో మనకి 1 షేడెడ్ ఏరియా ఉంది. సో ఈ సర్కిల్లో మనకి ఎన్ని షేడెడ్ ఏరియాస్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 షేడెడ్ ఏరియా ఉంది. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్? టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్ట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 1 2 3 4. సో వీ హ్యావ్ 4 టోటల్ పార్ట్స్. సో ద ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఈస్ 1 by 4. సో 1 ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? 1 ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ న్యూమరేటర్. 1 is called as numerator and 4 is called as denominator. 4 is called as denominator. 4 is called as denominator. So this is fraction. What is this? This is a fraction. Now let us see different types of fractions. Types of fractions. There are 3 different types of fractions. They are proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So each one detail ga manam chuddam one by one. So first type of fraction is proper fraction. What is that? Proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator denominator kanna చిన్నదై ఉంటుంది. Let us see one example here. 2 by 4. Here 2 by 4 is a proper fraction because 2 is less than 4. Numerator is less than the denominator. One more example. 1 by 8. 1 is less than 8. Numerator is 1. Denominator is 8. 1 is less than 8. So numerator less than denominator. One more example, that is 3 by 7. So 3 is less than 7. 4 by 9. 4 is less than 9. Numerator is less than the denominator. So this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator denominator kanna peddadi. So let us take some examples here. So for example, 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 is a improper fraction because 10 is numerator and 3 is denominator. 10 is greater than 3. So 10 by 3 is an improper fraction. One more example, that is 5 by 2. So here 5 is greater than 2. So 5 by 2 is an improper fraction. 5 by 2 అనేది improper fraction అవుతుంది. So let us take one more example, that is 3 by 2. So here 3 is numerator, 2 is denominator, so 3 is greater than 2, that is numerator is greater than 2, so it is an improper fraction. So one more example is 9 by 5. So 9 is greater than 5, so it is an improper fraction. Now let's see mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is a combination of one whole number and a proper fraction. So mixed fraction లో మనకి ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? ఒక హోల్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. సో వన్ హోల్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది, వన్ ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. లెట్ us see with examples now. So for example 1 by 2. So here 1 is a whole number, 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 1 by 2 ఏమైంది? It is a mixed fraction. So let us take one more example. 1 by 4. So here 2 is a whole number and 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. So 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. 1 by 2. So 3 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Understood, children? So this is about mixed fraction. So these are the types of fractions. Now let's see how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Let us take first example, that is 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 ni mixed fraction లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. Let us do it. So 10 divided by 3. So 3 is 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So మనకి ఇలాగ డివిజన్ చేసిన తర్వాత we have to write it in this way. So 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction of 10 by 3. Let us see one more example, that is 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. So let us take 25 divided by 2. 2 12s are 24. So we get 1 as remainder. So మనం ఈ విధంగా రాయాలి కదా, 12 1 by 2. So 12 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction of 25 by 2. Understood, children? So in this way we have to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Now let us see how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So here let us take first one, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. 1 by 3 ni improper fraction ga ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి? సో 1 by 3. సో ఈ 3 ని ఈ 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. లెట్ us multiply 3 into 3. ఈ 1 ని యాడ్ చేయాలి ప్లస్ 1. సో 3 is and divided by 3. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 by 3. So we get 10 by 3 as improper fraction. So this is how we convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Understood, children? So children, in this video we have discussed about what is a fraction and types of fraction, that is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction, and conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. In the next class, in the next video, we will discuss how to arrange fractions in ascending order and descending order and comparison of fractions, and then we will see some of the exercise problems, that is from review exercise. Understood, children? So until then, bye bye. Thank you, children. Subscribe our Vidyadi tutorials for more educational concepts and videos. మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.